everyone, I am Gayathry MS of class 60 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhandu, and today I am going to show how to make a healthy oats pancake. And for that we need some oats, but we need it in a roasted and powdered form. And as oats is very sticky, we need half a cup of wheat flour. Then we need a banana in a mashed form. Then a half cup of milk, a pinch of salt and some cinnamon just for flavor. Now we need to mix it in a bowl. We add the wheat powder. And I have mashed the banana and will add it too. Then we'll add a pinch of salt. Then we need to mix it. So we are adding milk. Then we need to mix it well until it's nice and creamy. So the batter is ready. So we are not adding baking soda as it is not healthy. But if you need to make it this instant, we can add it. But I am not adding it, so I am keeping for fermentation for 2 hours. So the batter is fermented now. Now we are going to make the pancake. And I am going to use an iron pan here. We can also use a non-stick pan. But first we need to apply some oil. Now we will pour the batter. And we should cover it up, but we should not cover it up before the air holes come. Now the pancake is having small holes, so we cover it up. We need to wait for a few minutes until it's ready. So I think the pancake is ready. So we need to lift it. Now we need to flip the pancake over. So now we'll take the pancake and put it on the plate. I have kept the glass on the gas on the medium flame. Now our pancake is ready. Now we'll garnish it with honey. We can also do with maple syrup. Maple syrup is very healthy. can also add few fruits on it. And we can also add berries if we like. But here I'm adding some bananas. And here our pancake is ready. Thank you.